Hey guys, this is Robo Rick here. I'm gonna begin coding in about 5 minutes. I'm gonna let the room trickle in real quick. In about 5 minutes. And thank you, future me, or past me, I should say. I'm just gonna get a couple tweets, let people know that we are rocking and rolling. Just give me a moment and enjoy the fine paintings that they're like these metal things you get online. They're pretty dope though. I'm a fan. So let's see. This is going to be kind of entertainment. Doing a code along. JavaScript. Test JavaScript. Send. There we go. I'm going to do it on my Twitter now. I'm just going to let you guys trickle in. Trickle on in. Trickle on in. Alright, so streaming. Twitch.tv/TechWarriorz. And I'm going to be streaming code. JavaScript. Programming. Tutorial. Trump. Because I guess we're going to talk about it. We're going to have to talk about the Trump inauguration. You silly, silly heads. Alright, folks, come on in and join. Don't worry, guys. I am going to be writing some code. Don't worry about it. I'm just tweeting this out real quick. While I get started, how about everybody says hello? Let me know who's in the room. I'd greatly like to know who's all here. I'm going to start. I just need to tweet this out. You guys are the early birds. And this is just us having a good time. Streaming the It's Not the End of the World special. Streaming. I'm just going to say streaming over at twitch.tv/TechWarriorz. Come on down. Alright, post. Alright, perfect. Now that we got that out of the way, I'm gonna move this on up. Defar, what up? How are you doing, buddy? I hope you're doing well. I am gonna be doing some code today, and to ease everybody's mind, it's gonna be Trump related, and it's all going to be okay. All right. I just wanna. Oh, by the way, guys, I got some new posters on the wall in case you can't see. Okay, I got this new camera angle, so I gotta be here and there. I'm gonna minus out of this. I'm going to create a new folder, and let's just make sure there are no drop frames, and we are golden pony boy. Defart. Alright, cool. We are okay. Alright. That's the name of the folder, guys. I just want everybody to know. Democratic elections happen every 4 years. Sometimes your guy wins. Sometimes your guy loses. You've got every right to be mad about it. You got every right to scream about it. But you don't have the right to incite violence against anybody. Or hurt anybody. That's just where I draw the line. if you want to scream at me, I've had people scream at me over the past 3 months, and it's okay. You know why? Because we're all going to be okay, and I'm not a snowflake. We can all get along, even if we don't agree with each other politically. Oh, shoot. I am going to X out of this guy. File, open folder. Desktop, we're gonna go into we are gonna be okay. Select. Now, what are we gonna build? We are going to build an application that calculates how much the wall will cost, and then we are going to throw it on Heroku tonight so that everybody will know that they're gonna be okay. We're going to play with some WebSockets tonight. We're going to play with all sorts of fun stuff, and we're going to do it all in vanilla JavaScript tonight because I'm feeling a little squirrely. Feeling a little squirrely, guys. And we're going to be okay. So I'm going to come up with a new file. This one is going to be index. Save. We're going to call this index.html. We have an HTML page. This part is good. We're just going to get our mock-up done. So we'll do a head. We'll get to that later. Oh, and I got Ruby working, so we're going to actually use Sass like normal human beings once we get ready. So this first one, we're just going to do title. And we're going to call it the wall, because I just want to show everybody how silly the whole concept of a wall is, because it is going to be expensive as all fuck. And then it's just gonna be an app that can calculate the wall. So we'll let people choose the materials, like how high the wall is, and etc., etc., etc. Right? Okay. So here we go. Go to Twitch. All right, just a moment, folks. I just want to see who is in the viewer list. Defart is still here. Defart. I love it. Love it. All right. No, I need to. Yeah, it's fine. I already tweeted. If you guys could do me a favor and tweet this out, that would be good. I would appreciate it. Okay, so we're gonna build this in vanilla JavaScript. So I'm gonna create. Yeah, it's gonna be fine, man. You know what, dude? So long as he cuts taxes, brings back some jobs, and helps the tech scene out, I'm cool with it. Eliminate prisons for profit, fuck yeah. If he can do all that shit he promised, let's just call this one JS, because that's where our JavaScript files are gonna go. And then this one, let's just deal with the, let's implement our JavaScript. So here, I'm going to create a new file, and we're going to call this file we're going to call this one no, we're just going to call this main.js, because we should only need one JavaScript file. Okay? And we're just going to have console.log. Let's build a wall. Okay, this isn't to offend anybody. This is just the opposite. This is the one promise I hope the man does not keep. Actually, one of many of the promises I hope he doesn't keep. JavaScript main.js. Alright, cool. So now what I want to do is project, pro tools, build results, build. No build system. That's fine because I can just go to what did we call it? We are okay. There's nothing that gets us together as a society like taking a funneled crack at president. So now we have the let's build a wall. Let's build this wall, shall we? What'd you, Defart, what'd you think of the Trump inauguration? Okay. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, we're going to have a select. And I am going to give it an ID equal to... No! They won't. And I just want to prove it to you guys so you guys can stop going. Okay? I just want to show you guys a visual representation of how expensive this shit would be. Okay? Now I'm all for people doing their jobs with border security and things of that nature. That's fine. But a wall is a stupid idea that keeps people from getting out as well as coming in, right? So it's just it's another part of that whole good Trump, bad Trump thing. I don't like the wall, and we're just going to make fun of said wall. And then we can also go into Bernie Sanders socialism if you guys really want to see an economic collapse happen right in front of you with basic math. Okay, so the wall is, we're just going to say wall-material. All right, so now that we have wall-material, let's get the options going. So the first one is going to be fence. The next one, let's call it, let's see, they got brick. You got brick wall, which I think the next thing would be concrete. And then you have like what else could walls be made out of? I don't know. Steel, I guess, is another one. By the way, guys, this is not condoning it. It's quite the opposite. I'm trying to programmatically prove a point that not all Trump supporters are stupid. We get how silly this notion is. Let's see, you got fence, wall, concrete. Let's go with gold in case he wants to really have at it, right? So I'm going to do value equal to, I'm going to say fence, value equal brick, value equal, he says glass. You know what? We'll have some sillier options at the end. All right, so we're gonna have concrete. Value equals. We'll have steel, and then we're gonna have a value equal to gold. All right. So we're building this magical wall. Okay, so then this one is gonna be an on change equals. Set wall price. Okay, we're gonna set the wall price. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be a beautiful wall. Okay, it's gonna be a great wall. Mexicans love them, right? At least you can see what's behind the wall. Yeah, that is true. That is very true, actually. Okay, so now let's go into this guy right here. We're gonna go var material, and we're gonna create a hash map here, right? So we're gonna need just an estimate based on the foot, right? Just a foot of material, just 1 by 1, 10 by 10, whatever, like how much feet it's gonna be, right? So essentially, let's say it is we'll say it's like 1 square foot, right? And then going up is going to be like the multiplier, right? So we're going to have 1 square foot. So if we look at through our options, we had fence, which we'll say it is for aluminum fence. Let's just say it is $30 a foot, right? And then brick is going to be, let's say, 50 a foot. Going each way. We could say concrete, which is basically what it's gonna, the cement holds the brick up, and cement, concrete, same shit. We'll say it's $100 a foot. Nah, we'll say, yeah, I think it's about $100 a foot. You guys Google it. How much for $100 for a foot of concrete? We're just estimating here. I mean, fuck, I should know this. My dad was a contractor, did concrete, but he didn't teach me much about it, so it's all good. Steel is, let's say, $125 per foot. And then gold, I'm going to make a guesstimation that shit would be $3,000 per foot, right? Okay. Now, what is the hourly wage of a worker? So let's keep it simple at first, and then we're gonna keep building this algorithm as it goes, right? So first thing I'm gonna need to do is I'm gonna need to create a function, which is gonna be set wall material, not wall price. Okay, so set wall material. We're just breaking it down, guys. I voted for Trump, but this is one of his policies that I find absolutely silly, right? So we're gonna debunk it. We're debunking it together, okay? And if he somehow manages to make this thing, I'll be greatly impressed, right? So we have the wall material. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say var wall material is going to equal document.get element by ID wall material dot value. Okay, so now let's refresh. So we have a fence, we got concrete, brick, ooh. Let's go back, see where we messed up. We have on change equals set wall material on, let's see, JavaScript. Select change. Object.onChange. Select my function equals set wall material, and this is set wall material, and let's just see. Okay, and it's not, yep, that part should be fine. Oh, because we didn't do anything with it, so we didn't do console.log wall material, duh. So we're gonna need to determine, hey, what's gonna go into the wall, right? So now we're just gonna refresh this, and we have concrete, we've got steel, we've got fence, we've got it all. So let's just go into what would need to be calculated into the wall. So I'm gonna say var wall build, which is gonna be like the build out, kind of think like RPG or something. And the very first thing you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to come up with the material, which is gonna be undefined at first. Then we're gonna build up the wall piece by piece, people. Don't worry about it. We're gonna build a wall. Okay. So then the wall build dot material is going to equal wall material. Okay. So you have that. Oh, I see 6 people in Twitch and not a lot of chatters. How are you guys doing tonight? Feel free to say hello. I talk to all my people. You guys are my people now. I don't care race, color, creed. I'm doing this to ease everybody's mind. All right? That's all I want to do here. I just want to ease everybody's mind. Programmatically. The best language I know how to do. What do you guys think of my posters, by the way? Do you like them? I just got them in today. Okay, so once you have the wall material, I'm going to console.log the wall build, because we just want to make sure, hey, this is happening. Concrete, boom, we have a concrete. Perfect. Okay. The next thing I'm going to want to do is we are going to want to set a height for the wall, for the illustrious wall. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an input. The type is going to equal number. Let's do a meta char set. It's going to equal UTF-8. All right, perfect. Aw, did I hurt your fifis? Okay, let me just make sure that we still have some audio, and we do. If you guys don't mind, I'm going to turn on just a little bit of music, because I don't want to hurt anybody's fifis. But just know I like to listen to some music. Boats! How you doing, Boats? All right. Anyone got any music requests? I'm trying to keep everybody happy here. Okay? Any music requests at all? Post in the chat room. And I think we'll be okay. I'm gonna do programming concentration music. Alright, cool. Building a wall, folks. Building a wall on the taxpayer's dime. This is going to be interesting. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is input number, type number. I'm going to set, before all that, let's set an ID equal to wall height. So how tall is this wall going to be? I'm going to just be a good developer here. Clean up my code a little bit. And guys, I'm not doing this to be insensitive to anybody. I need to describe reality to people, and for some reason people don't want to listen to logic right now, so I can only show you with a number representation of how much this shit would cost. Alright, so on-chain, actually we don't need an on-change function here. Alright, so the wall number, the height, and then for now, before we go into the big variables, let's just go into the button, right? Ah, my neck. Alright, build the wall. And then down here, we're just gonna have an H3 cost. For now, it's 0 until they hit this button. And then on click, we're gonna say build the wall. All right. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna say function build the wall. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say var material cost is going to equal materials. And then here's some neat little trick, folks. I'm gonna do wall build dot material. That way we can just tap into that. And so we have the material cost. The next thing I'm going to want is var height, and that is going to equal document.get element by ID wall dash height dot value. Okay, so the next part of our calculation is going to be a little tricky. So essentially, if it's by the foot, what you want to do is you want to multiply the height. The height becomes the multiplier, right? So how many feet high is this wall going to be? Which is a great question. But the first thing I want to do is I just want to console.log the height to make sure that we get our ducks in a row. So we're going to go back here. I'm going to refresh it. And at least you can see through the wall. That comment still is funny. I'm going to say it's a brick wall. It's we'll make it 20 feet high. Let's build the wall. Okay, so now we have 20, so we know that data is getting passed through. Okay, so with that, we're going to go back to it. And with the height, I'm going to say... I'm going to console.log height multiplied material cost. Okay? So this is very important, folks. So we refresh this. I'm going to say we want a brick. Now let's do a fence. Just a regular fence, 20 feet high, build the wall. All right? So even at just a fence, a 20-foot high fence is going to be $600 per square foot. We have, or per the multiplier. Now, what we need to do is we need to determine now, okay, how far is it from El Paso, Texas to California? All right. Distance between El Paso and San Diego, right? I think because that's the main border. Distance between the two. Okay, so you got 724.3 miles between the two, right? So that's technically the border right there, right? Okay. So you have all that going, all that space, 724. All right, how many feet are in a mile? Okay, perfect. So 50 to 80, which is what I thought. I'm going to pull up my calculator. And essentially now... Oh, wait. I can do... Shit. So I just need to do a converter to feet. So we got 724.3. 724.3. So that is almost 4 million feet that you're gonna have to solve for, right? And this is just material costs. We haven't gone into labor yet. Okay? So now let's go into it. We're gonna keep it as simple as we possibly can. So what we need to do now is we're gonna have a var material unit cost is going to be material cost multiplied by the height. Okay, and then var material total cost is going to equal material unit cost multiplied by this big ass number right here, which if you wanted to build a wall from El Paso, Texas to San Diego, California, it is going to be 3,824,304 feet to get to that position, right? So we're going to console.log that material total costs. Okay, let's go into the wall. All right, I want to make it out of brick, and let's make it 30 feet high. build wall. Okay, that right there, you're looking at, you know what? Let's just put it on the board. Okay? So what did I go here? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say, I'm gonna have a strong here. And that ID is going to equal total cost. Total cost, people. We spare plenty of expenses in this bitch. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do here, instead of console.logging it, I'm gonna say var total cost is going to equal document total cost element is going to equal document.get element by ID. And since I've been punched in the face a lot growing up, we're going to call this total cost. Okay, so you have a total cost going. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to say total cost element.inner text is going to equal material total cost for the time being, right? Okay, let's give it another shot. So I'm gonna refresh this. Let's build it out of concrete. We're gonna say it's 30 feet high, build the wall. Oh, and I made a boo-boo. I misspelled it right here. By the way, guys, feel free to interject in the chat at any time. I am quite approachable, and I like talking to you guys, which is part of the reason why I stream. Okay, so that wall is going to be built out of concrete at 30 feet high. Okay, at 30 feet high, we've got, let's see. For materials alone, for 30 feet of concrete, you're looking at $11 billion. Just for concrete, right? Let's look at an astronomical number. Let's say we wanted to do it with gold. If you wanted to build a golden wall from that spot, let's see, you are looking in the billions, $344 billion if you wanted to build a golden wall, which something tells me it is going to be a little bit more than that. Okay? So then the next thing you're going to need to look at is the time it's going to take to build such a historical feat. Just give me 1 second here. I see a 2-2 split, a 2-1 split. Okay. I'm hoping as you guys see this that it's not that scary, folks. Worth it. Okay. Yeah, for a golden wall. All right, let's say you do it out of fence. Fence alone is basically going to be $3 billion for 30 feet of fence. Okay, now, before we get into anything else, let's look at some additives to each one, right? And we'll just look at material alone. I'm going to grab some water. Please, guys, talk amongst the chat. I'm going to be back in 3 minutes. Alright guys, I am back. Alright, let's go into some silly plot twists here. Because I'm in the mood for some silliness. I got my gummy bears, and I got my water with that stuff InfoWars produces, that survival shield stuff. Overall, it's some good stuff, guys. Okay. So, what are some additives that we would want added to the, Oh, that's good. I know, man. I've been busy, Prisweep. My bad, guys. Are you guys saying that you miss me? Is that what's up? Because I missed you guys too. God damn it, I missed you. Okay. So, we're all gonna be okay. Okay? That's all I'm trying to say, guys. I'm not trying to hurt anybody's feelings or anything, but we're gonna be alright. Okay. So before we get to labor, let's talk about some additives that you're gonna have to charge per the mile. Additives, let's say, alright, so we're gonna do a line break here. Well, I missed you guys too, damn it. And it'd be nice if you guys were chatting more on the chat room. That way we can enjoy the beginning of a new day tomorrow. It's like a guy, I don't know, guys. Here's some good though. Here's some good gummy bears. Alright. Oh. So Donald Trump. So tomorrow Donald Trump becomes the 45th president of the United States. And one of his policies, one of the less popular ones from both people on the right and the left, is the wall. So I just wanted to give people a dose of reality to assure the left it's not going to happen, and to let the right, maybe people who do want it to happen, maybe inform them it's probably not the best idea. I voted for Trump, but you know, I think it's a funny little experiment we could do. Right, so far we've gotten the price of material down. Next thing I want to do is add some additives. So we're gonna have an ID for this guy here, and oh my god, those gummy bears are so good. If you guys go to Sprouts, get gummy bears. They are awesome, bitches! They're amazing. So what we have done is, oh, just a second. Okay. So what we basically did was we said, hey, here's all the additives, like we're gonna come up with like a unit cost for each one. So wall barbed wire is gonna be 1, and the type is gonna equal, we'll call it a checkbox, I believe it is called, and that goes to like true or false, right? So we'll do it with 1 just to make sure we have it. Okay, great. Next to it, we're gonna put a strong, and next to each one, we're gonna say add barbed wire. Okay. Now, guys, you have to understand something about me right off the bat. If what I'm saying hurts your fifis, tell me. But I have an opinion on this, and I don't care if you're left or right. It's my right to say my opinion. There's plenty of other streams. If you want to voice yours, you can voice it in my chat room. It's an open discussion. Or you can start your own stream. I just want to do this. Keep in mind, I'm a Trump. I voted for the guy, but I think this is silly. Okay? I'm allowed to think something is silly. Okay, so now what I want to do is I need a calculate function, right? So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to say function calculate add-ons. Okay, this is very important. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say var using barbed wire is going to equal document.get element by ID, and I believe I called this wall barbed wire. And we're going to say dot value. Okay. From this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say if, oh wait, we're going to do var add-on total is going to equal 0. Then we're going to say if using barbed wire we're gonna say add-on total is gonna equal, let's say barbed wire is like just like $5 a foot, right? Or no, let's say $10 a foot, right? So we're gonna say 10 plus equals $10, right? So that's how we're gonna calculate the add-ons before they go in there. Alright, and then we're gonna say var add-on cost is going to equal, oh my god, these gummy bears are so damn delish. I wish you guys could eat them right now, because I'm gonna eat them, and I'm gonna eat them guilt-free, because I work out every day, so I earn this. Mmm, gummy bears, delicious. To return add-on cost, or add-on total, because we need to return it back to our function. That way we have it, and then we're just going to calculate it. So right now, refresh, build the wall, boom. So as you guys can see, we selected it, it's $10. We go back, it is 0. Ooh, what happened there? JavaScript checkbox value. Dot checked. There we go. Refresh. False. True. False. There you go. So basically, if it's checked, we're going to add more money to the pot. Then we have nan down here because it's not a number. That's okay. So then from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, after this, I'm going to say if add on cost is greater than 0, then I'm going to say material unit cost multiplied equal add on cost, right? Because now you're gonna have to add whatever you add onto this wall. It's gonna be extra units, right? And we're just going into material. We're not even going into like labor yet. So let's refresh this. We're gonna build the wall out of brick. You know what? Let's go with concrete. $40 feet of wall at and throw out some barbed wire. Build the wall. Oh wait a minute. Multiply equal. Oh wait, it's not going to multiply it. I think it's just going to add to it. Yeah. So it's going to be a plus equal, not a multiplied equal. So we're going to add barbed wire to the top of our fence. $20 feet tall brick. You're looking at $3 billion. Let's make it 30 feet. And the price will go up and up and up and up and up. So I think the point I'm trying to make is we're not going to spend that much money. Do you guys want me to improve the algorithm for time, or do you want me to improve it for cost? It's really your call, guys. Or I could call it a night. It's your guys' call. I got shies that I gotta get done. Alright. Well, there you guys have it. The wall's been built. And it is going to cost a shit ton of money. So now, since I gave you guys some code, I'm in a game. Alright, if you guys are just tuning in, we built a calculator app that goes into how much the wall is going to cost. We built it in vanilla JavaScript in like 30 minutes. I probably could have made it quicker. Now I'm going to play League of Legends, guys. So if you want to hang around, hang around. If not, it's okay. De forte, de forte, di forte. Alright guys, so we have all that done. Next thing I'm gonna do, go to the YouTube dashboard. And now I'm going to play some goddamn League. So I feel like I've earned it. But I'm going to hang out on the chat, guys, so I want to hear from you guys. I want to talk to you guys. Playing the League. I'm gonna play some Blitzcrank tonight. You guys are watching the stream right now. I would love for it to be more than me eating these succulent gummy bears. I gave you guys some code. Now I'm going to give myself some League, okay? Now I've got to cut my own promos on Snapchat. Cool, I'm gonna play me some Blitzcrank.
They disgrace the art of war.
See, I'm gonna ban Rengar.
A true hunter never rests.
Right.
Hey guys, tomorrow is not the end of the world. Please join me tonight in my very special We're All Gonna Be Okay stream over at twitch.tv/TechWarriorz. Come on down and let's hang out, bitches. Ah!
Is that fear I smell?
Alright guys, I cut my own promos, by the way. I need somebody who's like a good social media expert. If you guys know somebody, could you please refer them to me, because that would be awesome. Hey guys, this is Robo Rick here. Come on down, hang out. I'm streaming tonight at twitch.tv/TechWarriorz in a very special We're All Gonna Be Okay stream, okay? I love you guys, no matter who you voted for. Come on down, twitch.tv/TechWarriorz. Look forward to seeing you guys. Alright, I'll be on till like 2 a.m., so come on down, let's hang out. Bye! Everything's gonna be alright now. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything gonna be alright. Oh yeah, by the way guys, I'm going to check out my chat between deaths and games, so please hang on out. So we got tech, esports, stream, gaming, game, League of Legends, Blitz, Crank, election, and let's do inauguration 2017. Share. Okay, we're all gonna be okay, everybody. I promise. We had a democratic election, and yeah, guy won a fair fight against someone who shouldn't have been in the arena. I don't care if you voted for Hillary, that's awesome, you're still a good person. If you voted for Trump, it doesn't matter, you're still a good person. We all have different beliefs, and we all come together. We all agree to disagree on a lot of things, and that's what makes this country so great. Huh. Till 2 a.m. Yes, the time zone, it is Pacific Standard Time. I'm in the beautiful state of California. Let's all go to the mall. Oh shit, they got Vayne. I didn't even think of this bitch. Oh shit. Oh damn. They killed Joey already? Oh yeah. Jin, no flash. Yep, something tells me that is not gonna go well for people. Hey guys, if you've not done so already, please hit the follow button, by the way. I do t-shirt giveaways. I try to hook you warriors up for hooking me up. And oh my god, we are dealing with a stud. Awesome. There we go. That is what I am talking about, son. I forget if it's Blitzcrank who could actually pull them through the wall, because he's like all magical and shit. Yeah, pull me in. That's okay. See, I want you to waste your mana on me, Vayne. And then once you've wasted your first somersault, I'm gonna grab you, I'm gonna upcut you, and I'm gonna make you hate your fucking life. Yeah, there we go. Gotta love that upcut. There we go. There you go. Just farm it out as. Farm it out as. I'll grab her when needed. They push a little too deep. That's all right. I kind of want them to push in a little bit so that this guy can farm it out. Oh, we know that's wasted. Yeah, because we know our teammate help is not coming. Oh shit, get her, get her, get her, get her! Shit! Yeah, we are losing, we are gonna lose this game pretty hardcore. Oh shit! You don't see me on screen. That is because I need to, holy shit. Windowed. There you go. You should see me now. Alright, so I need to build up, we better just farm it out. Damn. We're 5-1 right now, man. Alright, I'm just gonna farm out. Fuck! Yeah, Ezreal is the most useless ADC ever. Alright, you guys can see me now. It's okay, we're gonna lose. Because my ADC is garbage. We're against a Vayne Janna. Yeah, this is not gonna go well for us. Yep. Alright, I just gotta let him CS. Because those ganks are not coming. Surrender, yeah. I would agree with that. Because I'm grabbing them, but... Alright, what can I do as Blitzcrank to counterbalance this? I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to build all AP. So I'll get the kills and the damage. Because we're only down by 7. We can still win. And that's my biggest pet peeve. It's guys who abandon their lane after they feed it. So they're like, oh, I can't deal with them anymore. Yeah, well, no shit, because you fed them, you ass. Yep. Yep. We're gonna lose with some dignity, at least. Yep, nope, we're gonna keep letting them push into us. Yep, keep hitting me. Keep hitting me. I want you to hit me. Yeah, this team is just throwing the game. Yeah, you know what? I'm just not going to protect the ADC. What's his build? I don't know what the hell his build is, man, to be honest with you. Yeah, I'm gonna support top. Why not? Yeah, top at least has a kill. I'm gonna push. Fuck these guys. Yep. I'm just gonna keep on keeping on. Yeah, we lost this game. At least you lose quick. Oh boy. Yeah, this is bad. What the fuck is wrong with these guys? No, don't go after him, fucking idiot. Dude, run them. Is there anyone who can help me right now? No, I want to fight. I come here to lose. I came here to win, damn it. $25-6, people. Oh shit. I don't care. I want to die. Kill me. I want to lose. God. I just want this game to be over. Yep, I'm out. Yeah, you guys have fun with that. I'm gonna build a little Maj Jazz. Come on, just finish. I like to win. It's probably one of the worst games I've ever played. Yep, sounds about right. So what's going on the Instagram? Everybody is gonna be okay. Alright, I'm banning Vayne. I don't care.
Do not deny me.
No cure for fools.
Entertain me, bitch!
I promise.
Do you want me to take my shirt off or whip my penis out? Because I can do both.
If I want your opinion,
How's it
I'll
going,
get
Justin
out of here.
Fly? Do you want to go to Vegas tomorrow, bro?
Impure fool.
I think we should go to Vegas tomorrow. Huh? Well, we can go to Vegas and code, but you don't have the house anymore, so that'll make it interesting. I don't feel like paying for a hotel. But if you want to do a hackathon this weekend, you're more than welcome to come over. What do you think of my new poster art, bruh?
You too will be judged.
Well, if my ADC doesn't suck, it'll be a good game. Alright. Yeah, they're made of metal, so that's what I liked about them. It's really fun. Oh my god. The message of tonight's stream, everybody, is that we're all gonna be okay. Whether you're Democrat, Republican, Libertarian, Green Party member, whatever. You're gonna be okay. I can nearly promise you that. Unless you have some kind of incurable disease, then you're fucked. But other than that, you're gonna be fine. You're gonna do great. You're gonna be awesome, guys. All right. That's why I'm doing this stream. I'm doing it for you, the fans. Letting you guys know it's gonna be okay. Justin, what do you think? Do you think we're all gonna be okay tomorrow, buddy? ready to serve. I need my safe space. Well, come on over, buddy. You can bring your PlayStation. We can code. We can game. We can, you know, it'll be a good time. I like having company over. It's a good thing. Cause you know what? Everything's gonna be alright. You know what? I don't give a damn. They can give me copyright warnings, everything. Everything is gonna be alright. Cause my God, we need some music to get this spirit lifted. Oh, thanks, man. I'm gonna pause it right now. Cause this one is for you, Justin. This one is for all the warriors out there. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright now. Oh wait, I don't think this is it.
Nice.
Nope, that's not it. My bad. You know what? Tune's going back on. I'm the only person without a bracket on this team. My ADC is gold, so let's see how this pans out for me. I'm going to get a glass of water. I will be right back. Just in time. Just in time. Gonna go with my claw. Alright, we're going head up with a Tristana. Alright. I can call it out. I can call the shot now. Jungler, top, mid, bottom laners. The good news is that Nautilus, if you know how to counter him, is not that great bottom. I don't think they're going to invade. There we go, and we're out. Give my guy a good leash. Shit, a couple people are complaining about lagging. Oh yeah, I'm at 2. got 10 seconds. Relaunch my hip. I'm gonna probably wait till I get my my E. Let him get a little comfy. Yeah. Oh shit. Damn it. Oh well. I guess I'll get boots. And I'm gonna focus on ADC and not Nautilus. Sweet! Alright, so our jungler is a stud. Bottom lane, we are kind of the slacks on this one. Alright, cool. So we're at least safe up to that point. Damn it. I was trying to find that gap. Damn. Yeah, I don't want to instigate a fight right now. We gotta level up. Oh shit. Well, I tried to warn them, but I am gonna calm quiet now. Alright, so we're only down by 3 kills as a team. I'm just gonna play a little safer. I'm gonna pull Tristana, but I'm not gonna pull anybody else. That her puppet is not coming. Nice. Too bad our only kills are coming from Yi. Oh shit. There's a little bit of lag going on.
I'm the operator with my pocket calculator. Are you really focused?
Alright, we're down by 4 now.
As long as it takes. I am adding. Subtracting. I'm controlling.
Alright, cool. They wasted all their shots on me, so that's the good news. Not so good news is I'm playing like total poopy right now. Did we get that dragon at least? No, we did not get that dragon. Damn it. Bot lane is on the board. Alright, let's see what's going on in the chat sphere. I can't see the mini-map. Okay, that is a problem, Justin, so let's fix that. Boom, now you can. Alright, cool. Now we're down by 2. Yep. Just clear it out. I'm not taking any tower hits. F that. We got the river warded. Oh, here he comes. We know what he wants to do. Alright, we're only down by 3. We can make this. We can make this work. That's the hook trade. So they get one of ours, we get one of theirs. It's very common in the world of League of Legends. Yeah, them ganks ain't coming for us, buddy. So you gotta watch out. Yep, we don't know where homeboy is. We gotta be careful. We don't know where homeboy is. There we go. Saved her from, you know, certain death. Hit him, hit him, hit him! There we go, baby. Boom, we're coming back. Coming back strong. Like asshole of board. Did we at least get the dragon? Where the fuck was Ash? God! This game brings out the absolute worst in me, people. I'm sorry. But that's just the truth. Oh my god. You know, I couldn't... We're down by 3, and I can tell you who our weak links are. Our weak links are Ash, Fiora, yeah, Yee's decent, but there's only so much I can do as Blitzcrank. You gotta have a team that actually wants to, has some balls and wants to fight. I'm gonna... Alright. We don't know who the hell these people are. There we go. Alright, we're on mad dash push. Go, 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 go. Alright, cool. Well, we got 2 towers against their 1. So we're winning the objective wars minus the dragons, which I'm a little pissed off about, but who cares? Alright, next thing I'm gonna have to buy. She's 0-6. Our top laner is 0-6. No lanes. Lost the only lane. Yep. It's just one of those nights of League, guys. Sometimes you're the dog, sometimes you're the fire hydrant, right? What can you do? Alright, guys, I kind of need some help. Oh shit. Yeah, that's 4 of them. Yeah, we ain't gonna win that fight, honey. There you go.
As long as it takes.
Yeah, how about you guys hit somebody? Oh wait, no, because that would require brains. Oh god, I'm done. Justin, I hate this fucking game, buddy. I hate it. Oh my goodness. We're 1-1 right now. Yeah, we were within 5 kills. Damn, don't pull, not. Okay, not jumped in front of me. How about, okay, you know what? I'm just not gonna pull anybody. And I get them a kill, they all ruin it, so I'm done. Yep, see that? I get the perfect hook, they all figure out a way to screw it up. I think I'm gonna call it a night after this game, folks. Have to get to bed. I got meetings tomorrow. I don't know how much soul-crushing League I can afford to play. Oh, wait. Alright, their stud is down. Let's push. And it's lagging. Alright, going down, down, down.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Precisely. As long as it takes. Precisely.
Shut down. You have been slain.
Alright, they keep blaming me, but it's not my fault. They fucking sucks.
Your turret has been destroyed.
And I'm done with this team. What's going on the Instagram?
Your inhibitor has been destroyed.
See, when you play with a team that sucks, they all act like it's somebody's fault, so I guess it's mine this time around, even though I grab and they can't do anything. There you go, I pulled them in, they can't do anything with it. So that's one of the things that sucks about Blitzcrank. Not so much you, you're great, but if your team sucks, you're gonna suck. And that's just the reality. one who's the hardest to kill, but that's okay. I want this game to end. Yep, they can't. I got lag going, guys. I just want this game to end. Are they gonna hit? Yes. 1 yes, yes. 2 yes. 4 yeses. Awesome sauce. Alright, let's see who talks shit. This is my favorite part when I have a so-so game, but my teammates are also terrible. I don't give a fuck. Alright guys, that was painful. This game is like watching a streaming platform die a slow, painful death. Was that a nod at Azubu? Yeah, let's see. Alright, so here's the deal. My team was garbage. So Yi was a good player. ADC was garbage. I was okay. I did the hooks, they just didn't grab it. Katarina was crap. The team was just crap. Their team had some studs. I mean, they beat us fair and square. Alright, guys, I'm going to take off. I need to go to sleep. I got to wake up, do some work tomorrow. Thank you very much for tuning in. And remember, folks, nothing is going to change other than which batch of lying assholes is in office. So you guys take it easy. Bye.